Hey everyone, Raufan is here. So it's been a while since my last YouTube video. I think it's about a month, yeah, maybe. So I've been just pretty busy with my full-time work and as well as a couple of like photography and cinematography project. So yeah, YouTube kind of had to take a little pause. But yeah, starting this week, I want to keep the wheel running again. Maybe hopefully one video in 2 weeks, nothing too crazy, just want to keep the wheel running. And yeah, today it's kind of like pretty chill one. I just want to share a new addition to my photography workflow, which is yeah, the guy right here. It's my very first professional printer. So since the beginning of this year, I've been doing quite a lot of darkroom printing session and I genuinely enjoying it. There was a time where I forget to eat lunch and I felt dizzy when it was already a dinner time. So yeah, I do really enjoying it a lot. But what's been really surprising is that quite a lot of people also connected to those prints and gave them home by buying those prints, which is still kind of feel surreal for me. So, but yeah, here's the thing. I think is that darkroom print is not just easy for me because I need to rent it out and the place also not too close to my home. And then I think I need to at least spare one full day to do that. And then yeah, life been busy and it hasn't been worked out recently. And then yeah, in the past few months, quite a lot of people asking me that when the my prints, like my darkroom prints, will be available again. And then I honestly don't know because yeah, again, life been busy, and then I don't think I have time to do darkroom print in the next couple of months. So that's when I thought, okay, maybe I need to invest to a pro printer at home so I can keep the cycle going, my printing cycle going. So I went to buy this my first Pro printer, which is Canon Image Prograph Pro G2 or like Pro 310 if you are outside Japan. So there are a few key reasons why I decided to buy a Pro printer. First, like I mentioned before, I wanted to keep the momentum going. Over the past few months, quite a few people have asked when prints will be available again, and I think this felt like a right time to make it happen. Second, more it's to like for my consistency. I wanted to something that could give me a high quality results, something close to or even as good as darkroom prints. And third, I think it's more like a new possibility because I've never really experimented with fine art papers before. I want to try different type of paper, learn how each one affect the look and feel of my photos, and just explore a new side of printing. Now, why Canon Image Prograph Pro G2 specifically? One, it supports A3 plus printing. So up until now, I've mostly done A4. So moving up in size is a big step for me as well. And of course, a new learning curve. Second is panorama printing. So I've been wanting to do panorama photography from quite a long time ago. And of course, I want to print those too. So I think this printer makes more sense. Three is about the cost. At first, I was considering the Pro 1000 or Pro 1100, but those are heavy duty workhorse. With my current printing cycle, I think it will be pretty overkill, and I probably waste a lot of ink on cleaning cycles. So Pro G2 just make more sense right now. And the last but not least is that the high-end features. I think it got the latest 10 color Lucia Pro 2 pigment inks and a chroma optimizer. So even though it's more compact and affordable, it's still packed with a serious quality. But yeah, specs aside, I think I just love printing. I love to turn my photo into a physical things. So yeah, I'm the type of person who nitpicks everything. I choose film, scanning, and then I choose composition as well as choose paper. So having the control, like all of those control all the way until the final product is really satisfying for me. And then yeah, I think having something you can touch, feel, and then look into details and then compare version, and most importantly is give them a life outside a digital screen is really nice for me. So I think it's also a good practice for me as an artist too. Now paper, maybe I don't know, maybe in the future I will also try to print my photos into fabric or into any other like media, different media. So yeah, I think that's the real reason on why I keep printing until now. Anyway, from now on, I think I'll share more videos about printing experiment and trying out different type of paper. And also, if you ever seen one of my photos and think, oh, that might look nice on my wall. So, well, I sell those print and I ship worldwide. So feel free to click the links down below in the description. And again, yeah, your support means really a lot to keep my kitchen running. And yeah, I think that's all for now for a short update of my new edition on my photography workflow. And then yeah, I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Peace.